Part 2 of models and costs. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead Adventures. Here is the second part, models and costs. Let's get to it. Back to what I was talking about is, you gradually build your what you need, how much of it you need, and continually grow and also learn. That is one of the key factors is learning. Learn from others. It don't matter how much experience they got, and that if you look here for other channels, there's a lot of experience on it. There's everything from beginners clear up to ones that make fantastic models, and I can't even get. I'm not even to that level. I'll say it. I'm not at some of them levels. Some of them has got very fine detailing. They make museum quality models. My eyes are getting bad enough that I even wear reading glasses and using magnifying glasses with the reading glasses to see what I'm doing. So, you build yourself up. It's like the case behind me. I hand built that case. Because there ain't no way I'm going to go out and buy a case that size for the amount of money they want. So I built one. I built that case for less than $75. The other case in one of my other videos I showed you that I picked up, that cost me a whole $10. All I had to do is put some shelves in. I went and bought cheap boards, put shelves in. Your tooling, your paints and stuff like that. You just gradually build up, as you can afford it. You've seen my bikini girls that I use in my videos of showing the cars off that I have built. That's a one-time thing. I bought the whole set, but yet it was still like $25 for them girls. In the pickup build, that kit cost me, I think it was right around $24. Well, then you got the painting involved. You got the mud. I showed you how to make mud to use on it. Just little things to make it look better. Like the little bone crusher stickers and the elk that's in the back and the rifles that I used in the displaying the model, the camping gear and everything like that. That model alone, just in things to make it look like I did it, the way I did it, that raised that model's cost up to about $50. Now if I was to sell that to somebody and the quality that I did it, I would have to ask at least $75 to $100 for that model. I have built models in the past for other people, and yeah, I charge them. I charge them for the price of the model unless they buy it. I charge them for the paint unless they buy it. If they bought everything, and then I charge them for my time. Because, I'm not going to sit here and do it for free for somebody unless they're a really good friend and I know, things work out in the end. I may need their help or something like that. That's no big deal. So, but always remember that it takes time, it takes patience, I've had people comment, why are you taking a month to do a model? Well, if I get up in the morning and I'm doing things and I don't feel in the right state of mind to come in here and work on a model, because I've learned in the past that if I don't feel like working on a model, but yet I force myself to work on that model, it's not going to turn out the way I want. I want to take my time. I want to do the best to my ability to do that model. I mean, it's like on this Charger. I was working on the interior and it wasn't looking right. So I had to take off the paint that I had on there. Now I'm going back, I'm putting it to a flat black in there, matte black. And I'm going to do some chrome trimming and do a little bit of work on the gauges. But other than that, I want it black. You know, things change when you're doing a model, and the way you're feeling will hurt that model. So I'm hoping this video helps somebody. It might be a little bit long, but I hope it helps somebody understand about doing models, the cost, and ways to work on your models, and also help you. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, share it, subscribe to the channel, and you all have a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Oh, remember, smile today and smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. And here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.